Unavailability of good road connectivity had outturned the villagers to leave an ailing woman in a bamboo stretcher. Assam legislator Rup Singh Theron inspected the site for the construction of Memorial Park at Theso Ronghang village on Tuesday. One killed on a road mishap at Balipathar on 20 July. One drugs peddler apprehended at Bokajan, contraband worth ₹3 crores seized from his possession. Jinthong Ronghang High School near Denarong town under Numati constituency with science, commerce and arts streams. Facilities provided in schools are smart TV facilities in every classroom, CCTV system in every single classroom. For more details, contact 70025 92771. The Niswar Theron, headmaster of Jinthong Ronghang High School. Good morning. You're watching English Prime Time with Julie Bepi. A woman named Basa Rongparpi, wife of village headman, was brought from Upper Degrum, Lokhiram Rongpar village, which is 18 kilometers away from Koilamati under Nilip constituency, to the hospital by lugging with a bamboo stretcher due to unavailability of transport and good road on 19 July. Nilip constituency is one of the most underdevelopment constituency under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Maximum section of the people living in Nilip constituency are deprived from good road, bridge, telecommunication network facility, proper drinking water, healthcare facilities and many more. It is also notable that the maximum inhabitant of Nilip is in the hilly region. Basa Rongparpi had been ill for a long time. She was under medication till date, but her health deteriorated on 19th of July, which compelled her family members to take her to the hospital for her treatment. But due to unavailability of transport and good road at the region, the ailing patient was brought by lugging with a bamboo stretcher from Upper Degrum, Lokhiram Rongpar village, 18 kilometers away from Koilamati under Nilip constituency. It was reported that the actual challenge was encountered while they were crossing the strong current of Degrum River by lugging the patient on their shoulders. This had provided an individual burden to them. Therefore, the citizen of Upper Degrum Lokhiram Rongpar village appeals the concerned authority of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to blow the developmental bridge for all-round development in the region. The families and guardians of the ailing patient appeals Dr. Tulram Ronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and Pabitra Rongpi, MEC, for some financial assistance for her treatment.
Hindi pailo, kasi nitum sitame kiduk ajoyne, akihilo sitame nitum chalang damni our side, mate chalang dam idamni dam thekthedala, ba pom thekthedala. Kasi non Karbi Anglong Council Charibom, Dr. CM sitame ba ku nitum Nilip MEC Pabitra sa Rongpi alang lisitame alang litum bahani phang sitame nilihin ba nitum mahim pen chunirilo asabak nitum phan rabjima ba nang rap thekjima isi alang litum bahani phang sitame sa toman chunirilo.
Also, if any warm-hearted individuals who wish to contribute something may kindly contribute at the given details.
Council litum Karbi Anglong Council Kecharibo CM apan sitame chunirilo kasi nilitum akihilo sitame kontakte data sanlo nasi la masuk kesu apan asabak sitame nang kirabi pasi alang sitame chunirilo.
Samson Test report from Nilip for Karbi Anglong Live. Rup Singh Theron, member of Legislative Assembly of Assam, inspected a site for the construction of Memorial Park to honor and remember those brave hearts who had made their supreme sacrifice during a conflict in the year 2000. On 19 July, during the observation of 22nd death anniversary of 6 brave hearts who had lost their lives during a conflict, Rup Singh Theron, MLA of Assam, had attended the event at Theso Ronghang village. He was accompanied by Hon Singh Terang, former VDC chairman of Kopili. The names of 6 brave hearts who was murdered during the 2000 conflict are Buddha Ronghang, Dhansing Ronghang, Longki Be, Babu Ronghang, Ganeswar Ronghang, Babu Singh Ronghang. MLA Rup Singh Teron mourned the incident and pays his tribute and honor their sacrifices. MLA Rup Singh Teron, while speaking to us, informed that the family of the victims would be compensated with an amount of Rs 5 lakhs once the official procedures are completed. He also informed that Rs 10 lakhs had been allotted for the construction of memorial statue at Thisoronghang village.
Jomnya pandai lang tu gitu tak ada dia pandai itu anak mata jodom lo apa ni kontak thaga kepu gitu kok lam thike mo phi antar so anglong ri bangke du apa janang popos anak mata jodom apa sila so memorial pak ansu sen kan bang tera cukup mu du re pandai tim sia desa memorial pak so ni tu pi masih tinggal orang sia so pata la sini di local area aphan pesi tak non ko ke chenga ko ke lak ke me pipo palong leta dolo no langsar lo asi non prabing pen pandison sun itu le pen kambit ke cheng paneli bori pon poposi pinin laptang ni pikang.
Mohan Teron's report from Kironi for Karbing Long Life. On 20 July, around 7 a.m. early morning, a vehicle was overturned at NH 39, Balipathar, falling under the jurisdiction of Bokajan Police Station. The incident took place while the vehicle was on its way from Guwahati to Dimapur. As per the report, a vehicle bearing registration number AS01AC0914 was travelling from Guwahati to Dimapur. The vehicle was moving at a certain speed, due to which the driver lost its control and hence collided with a tree roadside at Balipathar, killing 1 person on spot, while 8 others sustained major injuries. Local residents of the area called 108 emergency and rushed all the victims to Bokajan CHC immediately for their treatment, and all the victims are undergoing treatment in Bokajan CHC. The victims informed that they were heading to Dimapur in search of work. They suspected that the incident occurred as the driver was somnolent, consequently resulting into this fate, but the driver of the vehicle managed to flee the scene. The deceased individual was identified as Jaherul Islam. Bokajan police reached the spot and had taken legal proceedings over the incident. Anantirang's report from Bokajan for Karbing Long Life. In yet another incident of drug seizure, Bokajan police apprehended 1 drugs peddler at Bokajan and seized 30 soap case boxes of suspected heroin from his possession on 20 July. As per the report, a naka was set up along NH 39 Bokajan by Borpathar police after receiving an intel of transporting drugs from its sources. A vehicle bearing registration number NL07EB0556 was intercepted at a checkpoint in suspicion of carrying illicit drugs along with it. The police rigorously searched the vehicle and recovered 30 soap case boxes of drugs comprising 3 kg, 23 grams of suspected heroin. The contraband, if sold to the open market, would approximately cost Rs 3 crores. A person named Nitro Bahadur Sunar was arrested in connection with this case. The operation was done under the supervision of John Das, APS, SDPO Bokajan, and all the items seized were retained by Borpathar police officials. Anantirang's report from Bokajan for Karbing Long Life. Thank you for watching Karbing Long Life. Have a great day.